All right. I forgot my key. Oh, fuck. Oh my God. What's up, Ryan? Okay, I'm going out to get some wash and wax spray for my bike here, because as you can tell, it's kind of dirty. I haven't had that stuff for a little bit, so I kind of let my bike go. I usually just have a little bit of that spray in storage just in case I, want to clean the bike up really quick. In this case, I really need to do that. I really have to spray this bike down though. It's dirty on the inside. Inside of the plastic, you can really see all the dirt and crap that's built up. Even that cop back there thought my bike was dirty. Ah, damn it. I keep up with the tires, I keep up with the chain, I just don't keep up with the actual plastics on the bike. When I get that 636, I'm telling you, I'm gonna take insanely good care of that thing. When I go to see that bike at the dealership, which I'm gonna do, I really wanna go take a look at it, and I don't know if they offer test rides. I was at a demo day. I don't know, aside from that, if they do any testing of the riding or whatever. That would be pretty sweet if they did though. If I'm able to get a test ride or something into that bike though, I definitely will do that. Get in there and record a little bit, because I really want to show you guys that bike. Today is not a bad day at all. Holy. So we're making our way to O'Reilly right now. O'Reilly, the finest parts and services. That's near here. We don't have an AutoZone that's close to here. Guy nodded to me. Ho, ho, ho. Oh, I haven't got that in a fucking year. Alright, we made it. We're here. I'm here for one thing and one thing only, and that's some awesome wash and wax spray. I'll be right up. I got what I was looking for in there, and holy crap, I got a shit ton of questions about this bike here. One guy walks in, he's a little bit older, but man, I could just tell this guy rode a few fucking bikes in his day. Came up to me and asked, how big is that bike? And I'm like, it's 400, and he's like, man, that's about the smallest bike I've seen in a while. I'm like, I know, I'm really big for it, but it's my first bike. And he's like, yeah, well, that's good if that's your first bike. He thought all the things I did with the bike were really cool, the tank pads and the windshield. Then he's like, oh yeah, but this bike's bigger than a Honda Grom. And I'm like, oh really? Yeah, seriously? I was on a Honda Grom at the MSF course, I told him. And he's like, oh no way. And I'm like, yeah, my knees were like up to here. Because I was late to the morning. We were taking the class like 10 minutes or so, and everyone had picked their bike already, and the bike that was left, 2 of them were Honda Groms. God damn it. Tacking it on the ground was probably the best decision I've ever made. Even though that decision wasn't mine, it still helped me out in the long run, and I'm here today riding a Ninja 400, hopefully getting my first 600cc soon. The stuff I was looking for, by the way, is called Meguiar's Waterless Wash and Wax, and I found it. It was $15 though. Probably could have got that at Walmart for 10 bucks. 11 bucks. Oh well, I have it now. I'm really happy that I decided to go with the Kawasaki green color, the KRT green. You know what I haven't got yet? I haven't got one of those Cardo systems, or just any comm system. I've been thinking about that lately, like if I should get one, or if I need one. Like, do I need to listen to music while I ride? I don't have anyone to ride with right now. If I did, then I would definitely get one. Take the bend, and hopefully no deer. Hopefully no deer, no deer. No deer! Woo! This is going to be another short little video, guys. I'm going to start uploading more frequently after this, because I just enjoy doing this so much. They lowered the eligibility to get YouTube partnership. It's 500 subscribers now. Hey, man, that's sweet. I had no clue until I looked at my YouTube mobile app. Anyways, that's pretty sweet, right? Hell yeah. Alright guys, remember to keep on riding, be safe, and enjoy your life. I'll see you guys when I post in the next video, which will be probably very, very soon after this one. And yeah. Oh, it's 0 miles per hour. Oh my god. I'll see you.